So today we will get to know uh, that my one string is the rotation of other string or not. For example, I have taken a name Pragya. So how it is rotated, let me tell you that. For example, if I rotate it once, so my P will go to after my A, so it will become like that, AP. If I rotate it again, then it will become like that. If I rotate it again, it will become that. I think the rotation is clear. So in this video, we will be checking by using Python that my one string is the rotation of other or not. If my one string is the rotation of other or not, that we will be checking here. So for that, first we will input it. So I'm using input so that I can type the string myself. String 2 input. Same thing, right? Then what logic we have to give? First is that the length of my string should be equal, right? The length of my both string should be equal. If it's not, then it's not a rotation. And second is none of them should be zero. The length of my string should not be zero. That's we will be doing here. So I'm using if condition to do the same first. So the length of my string 1, if it's not equal, then I have to length of string 2. And what I want that if the length of my string 1 equals to 0, then directly print false. Then it's not a rotation. If any of these condition is true, then it's not a rotation. And now what we need to give else what condition we will give. So I'm concatenating my first string with itself. What I'm doing is I'm just adding this first string with itself. How I'm doing it, let me tell you, and why we are doing it. Let me explain that too. Okay. So if I, for example, my string 1 is Pragya. If I add Pragya with Pragya, what it will be? It will be Pragya Pragya 2 times, right? It will be Pragya Pragya 2 times if I concat it. So I'm just concating it. So what will I do it? So if my string 2 in concat, then print yes, else no. So let me explain that what I have written. Print no. So what was my second string? So my second string was, for example, this. So it will see that first it will go for this, first it will go for this, then it will see it's not same. Then it will go this. Here it's not same. As you can see, I have this, if I have this in this, right? Or any, for example, if I choose any other rotation, if I choose this, if it's a rotation, it will be in this, right? If it's a rotation, then it will be in, oh, sorry, what just happened? Okay. So if it's in my rotation, then it will be there. So I've taken this, then this will be also in my concat thing. That's why we plus together, because if any of the rotation will be there, it will be. So if, as you can see, if any rotation is there, that number is added at the back, right? So if I add my string twice, then that word should be there, otherwise it's not a string. Okay, so I think this is clear. I'm inputting some value. So first string I'm giving it as Pragya only, and second I'm using it this one. Let me use this. Any you can use. If it's a rotation, it will give yes. If it's not, then it will give no. So it's giving yes. Let's write one more, Pragya. And I'm using that is not a rotation. So I'm giving Pargya. It's not a rotation, so it will give me no. I think this is clear to you. That's how we get to know whether my one string is the rotation of another. We can't, if I rotate my Pragya, we can't get this value in even in any rotation. So that's why I'm getting no here. I think this much is clear. So that's all for today's video. If you like it, do subscribe our channel, press the like button. Thank you.